Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use curves to slow down or speed up your videos in the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, to use curves, you wanna choose one of your video sections that you want to change the speed of, to speed up or to slow down with curves. To choose one of your sections, you just have to tap on your timeline and then go to speed, which is this second icon on the left. When you go to speed, you have two options. There is normal and curve. The normal is when you just change the speed of the whole video. I have another video about that, so if you're interested in general speeding and slowing down your video, you can go and check out this playlist. But now let's focus on the curve option. Tap on the curve, and here you have a few pre-made options for your video. There is a montage, there is the hero, which goes like normal, faster, slower, faster, and normal again. There is the bullet, jump cut, when it's normal, then fast, then normal again, and flash in and flash out. You can change these pre-made options as well, but you can create your own curve as well. As you can see, here is this curve, and here I can move these dots to change up this speed. So as you can see, when your curve is high, your video is faster. When your curve is down here, your video is slower, as you can see. And here you can set up how your video is going and which parts are faster and slower. It really depends on the video, so there is no good or bad solution. It's all depending on the video. So this is how your pre-made curves work. But here, if you tap on the custom, you can create your own curve by swiping and moving around these dots. It's very easy to use and very helpful. So you can create your own curves and set up your video the way you like. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.